Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today 15 Jan 2022 is an important day for Canada because starting today travelers to Canada have to be fully vaccinated. There are some exceptions, but even if you fall under the exception, you will be subjected to testing, quarantine and other public health measures. So like even non-essential travelers from foreign countries have to be vaccinated, and from today onwards essential travelers must also be vaccinated, and this also includes family members of Canadian permanent residents, Canadian citizens, and people registered under Indian Act, international students aged 18 and older, athletes, work permit holders, essential service providers including truckers. Okay. Now, Canadian citizens are permanent residents. Although they are not fully vaccinated, they cannot be denied entry to Canada, but they'll be subjected to further, subjected to a lot of measurements like pre-entry, arrival, 8-day testing, quarantine, and other things. Now, unvaccinated and partially vaccinated foreigners or people from other countries can still be allowed in exceptional circumstances, and it's going to be on the border agents to decide who can come, who cannot. And for example, a particular circumstance is on compassionate grounds. So and so this is what the situation now. Yeah, a question comes like, what are the approved vaccines? So that includes AstraZeneca Covishield, Bharat Biotech Covaxin, Janssen by Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, Pfizer, Sinopharm, Sinovac. And at this time it's not required to have a booster, but you never know, it may be in future. So I'm going to include the link in the description for you to refer. Thanks for watching.